Today I'll show you how to make Moscow Mule. Hi guys, my name is Aistis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a very classic cocktail, Moscow Mule. Some of you might know this cocktail, some don't, but it's very easy to make and it's very refreshing cocktail for summer. And that's very interesting fact. This cocktail wasn't invented in Moscow, it wasn't even invented in Russia, and it wasn't even invented in Europe. This cocktail was invented in America. Yes, America, exactly. And there's a couple of stories on inventing this cocktail, and you can read them on the internet. You can go on Wikipedia or you can go on other sources and read those stories. But the fact is that it was invented in America, and I honestly can share my experience, because when I first got to know this cocktail I thought that it was really invented in Russia. That's why it's called Moscow Mule. But it's called Moscow Mule just because of one fact, because it has a good Russian vodka inside it, and that's what it makes Moscow Mule. And this cocktail is quite classic one. It stayed the ages, and it's still what is drinking today, and it's very refreshing, and it was invented in something like 1940s, something around that time. And as I told, you can read the stories on the internet. Most likely it was invented in New York, but you know, cocktails is a little bit cloudy. Actually, the classic ones. With new classics it's more clear, because now we have all the fact checked, you know, on the internet, so documented. But classics are classics. So today I'm going to show you 3 amazing variations of this amazing, refreshing summer cocktail classic. And the first version of our Moscow Mule today is very classic one, except one fact, that I'm going to serve this cocktail in this highball glass, because traditionally Moscow Mule is served in copper mug. But I don't have copper mug at home, and I'm going to make this classic Moscow Mule in highball glass. For that I'm going to use an ice stick. You can get it from Mixology ice, but if you don't have it, just a regular ice cubes like that, it's totally fine. But if you are working in a bar and want to make a more fancy, a bit more interesting Moscow Mule, so you could use such a stick, and customers would be more happy, I can assure you. So the first ingredient is ice. The second ingredient is good quality vodka, because if you're making cocktails you want to make them from a really good ingredients. And I'm going to use 1.5 ounce of good vodka. I'm using Organica. Why I like this vodka, maybe I'll tell in some other videos. Now I want to concentrate on our Moscow Mule cocktail. Second ingredient is lime juice, and I'm using only fresh lime juice when I can, and here I definitely can, so I'm going to use 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. So it's around half or 1/3 of a lime, it depends how juicy it is. One more trick, if you want to juice a little bit more, you can do it like that, so you really get a bit more juice into your cocktail. And one more ingredient is ginger beer. There is a lot of in the market. You can try, experiment, it will give a little bit different flavors, but the cocktail, it will be still the same. And I'm going to pour around 3 ounces of good ginger beer. And if you wonder, so ginger beer usually is non-alcoholic beverage, and I mean, this is non-alcoholic. What you use for this cocktail is non-alcoholic. You can try alcoholic one, but it will be different twist. So ginger beer, vodka, lime, nice ice, and our cocktail is almost ready. It needs love, passion and energy to finish everything, and a bit garnish. For that I'll use this nice dehydrated lime wheel. You could garnish it with fresh lime, you can garnish it with lime peel or some other, just your imagination. I'm garnishing it with nice dehydrated lime wheel, and I'm gonna use a nice pasta straw, environmentally friendly straw. or you can just don't use any straw at all. It's even more environmentally friendly. But if you do, so please guys, using environmentally friendly straws like pasta straws to your cocktail. Cheers, Moscow Mule. Second version of Moscow Mule today is my twist with kombucha. And if you want to check out more kombucha cocktails, so you can check this link right here. You will find many more amazing kombucha cocktails. But today, let's do Moscow Mule with a twist of kombucha. And I'm going to use this nice cup. As I told before, copper mug is a quite traditional mug for Moscow Mule. So my twist with kombucha requires this nice mug with handmade decorations. Everything is very easy. Again, we won't need to shake, we won't need to do anything fancy, and we will make a very good cocktail. So the first thing is ice. We have to put full mug of ice. And second ingredient is what makes this cocktail Moscow, so it's good Russian vodka. And I'm going to use 2 ounces of it. Also, as I'm going to use kombucha instead of ginger beer, so kombucha is less sweet than ginger beer, so I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar syrup 2:1 ratio in the cocktail to be it a little bit sweeter. But if you like the cocktail to be like more dry, let's say like that, so you can skip this part, but I'm going to use it. 1/3 of an ounce. And as I already mentioned, I'm going to top up everything with ginger kombucha. It's like 4 to 5 ounces. You shouldn't pour too much kombucha. The ratio should be 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5 to have the best taste. And I'm going to use around 1/3 or like 1/2 of fresh lime juice. And we'll give this cocktail a bit of stir because sugar syrup might get to the bottom. So I have to lift everything and mix ingredients together. And to garnish this cocktail, I'm going to cut a moon shape of lime and to put it on the top. Kombucha version of Moscow Mule. Cheers, guys! And the third version of Moscow Mule today is going to be my twist again, but this time I'm going to serve everything in Martini style of glass, in coupé glass, and I'm going to try to make Martini style cocktail. Actually, Martini style Moscow Mule twist on this cocktail. Let's go! And first thing what we have to do, of course, to chill the glass. And we will be making everything in the shaker. We will be shaking, we will be dancing, we will be having fun. Always having fun making cocktails. This time we're going to use fresh ginger. I'm cutting like, it's hard to say how much is that, so I'm going to show you. It's like this and this piece of fresh ginger straight into the glass. I'm going to use lime as well. I'm going to use half of quite ripe lime, putting everything into the shaker as well because I'll be muddling everything and I want not just the juice of lime but also all essential oils from the skins, the cocktail to be more aromatic and to get more flavor from lime fruit. And we'll be muddling everything to extract juices, tastes, flavors, aromas, oils and everything what we can get from these 2 fruits. Our fruits are muddled. Now we're going to pour all the rest of the ingredients. And first of them is vodka. Good quality one. I'm going to use 2 ounces. second ingredient is Grand Marnier. I'm going to use ½ ounce of Grand Marnier. Also a bit like 1/4 of 2-to-1 sugar syrup. And aqua faba to give a nice texture, nice foam, nice feeling, nice mouthfeel, and nice blending everything together. 1 ounce of aqua faba. Full shaker of ice and another part of a shaker. Love, passion and energy, of course. Let's give it our dance. Whew. More love, even more love to this cocktail. Everything is shaken, discharging the ice and straining, actually double straining, fine straining the cocktail to the cocktail glass. And to finish everything, we need to put a small, nice garnish, and we'll use such a form of fresh ginger, cut it inside and mount it on the glass. Here we go. My twist, Martini version of Moscow Mule. Cheers! Thank you guys for watching this video. Tell me in the comments down below which version would you prefer, the very classic one, the kombucha version, or the Martini style version. I would really like to know, and definitely comment your versions of Moscow Mule, what you like to drink or what you like to make if you are a bartender. I would really love to know more amazing Moscow Mule variations, and I would really love to try them. And please support me just a little bit. That's everything what I'm asking from you, to subscribe this channel, like this video, and I love you very much, and I'll see you in next videos. Use environmentally use and